What's going on, my friends? Tonight, the pepper of choice, the chocolate Gator Jigsaw. Just a beautiful specimen, beautiful pepper. The Gator Jigsaw is a creation of Rocco Maltese. Gator Jigsaw, one of my favorite peppers, one of my favorite mustard variant super hots. The purple Gator Jigsaw, another phenomenal pepper, just a stunning, gorgeous pepper. The purple Gator Jigsaw, that is. I've never had the chocolate variant before, so I'm pretty stoked on this one. The Gator Jigsaw guesstimations are about 1.5 million on the Scoville scale. I have a feeling this is going to be right around there, probably. Yeah, let's give a shout out here. Miss Linda McNew, Linda's Fiery Treats, Linda and Art. Phenomenal growers, phenomenal people. She not only sells fresh peppers, but she makes hot sauce, lots of different treats, and peanuts, jellies, jams, spicy mustards, a lot of different stuff. So shout out to her, shout out to Art. Linda, if you catch this video, I hope you're feeling better. And chocolate Gator Jigsaw. The wind is really just picking up on me. I caught it though. This is one of the more earthy chocolate pods I've ever had. It's earthy. It's got a bit of that smoky quality to it. Man, I feel like I gotta hold the phone here, so I'm off a bit here. Really digging the flavor on this one. Really good. Heat's coming on pretty strong now. Take that seed out. A couple of them here. A little bit of bitterness coming in. A little bit of floral here at the end. for the birds. It's wet, it's oily up there. Ooh. Heat's rising. A little bit way down here in the throat. Roof of the mouth. Can really feel the heat when I breathe out. A little bit of burn on the tip of the tongue. It's stuff great pepper. From the flavor to the burn. The burn's enjoyable. It's a super hot. I don't think it's 1.5 million though. I would say this is, it's lower than that, but it's hotter than like a ghost pepper, right? So it's, let's say this is 1.2, 1.3 maybe. But I was shocked at the flavor of that. I don't typically get earthy notes from chocolate peppers. I know some people do, and I did on this one. I generally get floral with chocolate peppers, like I do with reds. And there was a little bit of florality to this pepper, but like I said, right toward the very end, just up into the placenta near the stem. A little bit of bitter notes up there as well. But overall, just an enjoyable burn right now. Enjoyable flavor. This also had those smoky notes, which can be common with some chocolate varieties. I don't get it a lot though. You know, I've heard some people get those smoky notes quite often, or more so than I ever have with chocolate pods. I've gotten it before. Today isn't the first time. But like the same idea with earthy and chocolate pods for me. I don't get a lot of smokiness with chocolate pods. And I'm always kind of looking and searching and hoping for it. This one had both. So just phenomenal pepper. It's a nice shape on that pepper as well. I dig that phenotype. I dig that look. I think the Gator Jigsaw, you know, it's an Italian grow from, again, Rocco Maltese. I don't know what the cross is. I forget. I think it's a Trinidad Scorpion cross with something. Got my nose running. My lips are red. So she's warm. Ooh, got a little dangler. How you doing? It's also getting pretty cold out here. There's a nice little wind chill going on. Give this about another minute and then I think we'll kill it. God, sorry about that. The wind keeps pushing my phone over. I don't know why. That's what I'm holding up against, if you can see that. Just my trellis and awning to my deck here outside in the backyard. So right before I started this take on the video, I don't do triple, quadruple takes and shit. Usually I'll just come out here, hit the button, and we're going. But I did, because within the first 10 seconds of the original video starting, the phone dropped. Boom. And I got a new phone. This is a new phone. And that's the first drop on the new phone. So I just started it over because I wasn't into the review yet, you know. And here we are 2 times during this review dropping. So I mean, I can feel the breeze out here. It's cold. I think the high is only 42 today, maybe 40, 45, somewhere like that. Anyways, appreciate y'all. Thanks for being here. That was the chocolate gator jigsaw from Linda's Fiery Treats. I'll see y'all in the next one.